Hey viewers, ramblers, Rob here, and we're around Toddbrook River on the border. That's right, on the border, because on this side here it's Start Lane, Whaley Bridge, and over this side of the river it is Kishfield Lane, which is in Cheshire, Kettleshume. So yeah, here's the border line and I'm on it, checking out how high up Toddbrook River is. I've already done one, it's done further down at the reservoir. So I thought I'd come and see what it's like further up. And yeah, it's high. I've seen it higher. Should have been higher after we've had that storm Bebby. We've done Buxton, Whaley Bridge. The other one will be on before this. So let's see how it's coming down, because there's a lot of water going to be coming from Cheshire. We're up here in the hills. So it's going to be like this for a couple of days before it proper recedes down. So it's just a quick one, this. Nice Cheshire vlog if we come round on here, Kishfield Lane now. But virtually, so Google Maps tells me. We're in Cheshire. I'll get this way up into the woods, but I've got my trainers on. And I ain't going in there with them. Here's another view. Toddbrook River. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous day. After the bad weather we've had with this storm Babbit, Rabbit. Another view of the river here. So it is swollen. I'm sure you can tell by how it is. It's been up on the grass submerged. I bet it had been Thursday, Friday, it would have been at least a metre higher, I bet. And raging down here. From standing water just up here on the Cheshire side on Kishfield Lane. Surely this would have been all the way. Coming down from either side. It still is. And it'd be pounding down over here, it would have been. Hear it down that gully going from underneath. There, which I'm sure is going to be blocked up as well. You can tell. At some point it's been raging down here. By how it is, how the markings are, you see the water. So yeah, this place has definitely took a battering. But this is the calm after the storm. Not in between the storm, but hopefully this is it now. Although they are saying more rain is likely to come tomorrow. Oh, I don't know, viewers. So I'll see you back down there at the bottom. Alright, welcome back, viewers, ramblers. We're just getting back onto the Derbyshire side now, to Whaley Bridge, and the high peak. We're going to about wrap this one up. Won't take long with being back down here. So yeah, that's the state, or the height of the River Wye. No, sorry, not River Wye. Toddbrook. That was yesterday, the River Wye. Blonde dumb moment. Do apologise. So sorry. I'd edit it out if I could, but I haven't got any software to do that. So I'm rambling on now, so let's bring it to a close. From here at the border, Derbyshire, Whaley Bridge that way, Cheshire and Kettleshume, from Kishfield Lane, the Start Lane, and the bridge in the middle. Toddbrook River. If you've enjoyed this, please give me a like, hit the subscribe, the notifications. But like Arnie says, hasta la vista baby, I'll be back. Adios till next time.